Today's topic is pacifier weaning. When is it the right time? Having your baby suck on a pacifier in between feeding is a great way to keep them calm and safe from distress. Kids usually do away with the pacifier by themselves between the ages of 2 and 4. However, some have to be compelled to stop sucking on pacifiers. While it may sound simple, pacifier weaning can be a difficult process. A child's compulsion for sucking begins at a 14-week embryo, and they become quite used to occupying themselves with a pacifier. Still, you have to make sure that your kid does give up a pacifier, as its prolonged use can pose risks to the kid's health. Here's all you need to know on when you have to wean a pacifier away and how to do it as smoothly as possible. When is the best time to wean your kid from a pacifier? The first thing you need to know is that a pacifier can be quite helpful for your baby if it's introduced after they are used to breastfeeding. According to experts, having a baby use a pacifier after a few weeks of breastfeeding can reduce the risk of sudden infant death syndrome, SIDS. However, you need to take the pacifier away between the ages of 2 and 4. Weaning the pacifier away from a child at the age of 3 reduces the chances of dental malocclusions. Stopping the use at 6 months can even reduce the chances of ear infections. Getting the pacifier away as quickly as possible is important, as most of its benefits are obvious when the baby is quite young. The more you delay it, the greater the chances of the risks of pacifier use becoming a reality. Your child might become dependent on the pacifier to the point that it might be impossible to wean it away from them. However, it is important to make sure that you give your child the time and space to shed the hobby by themselves. If it's not possible, you have to be patient and help them with positive reinforcement. How to wean your kid off a pacifier. Some tips you need to be mindful of in trying to wean your child off a pacifier in the first 12 to 15 months of use are: 1. Be aware of when your baby starts sucking and what compels them to do it. 2. Remove the pacifier when your baby doesn't need to suck it. This helps decrease dependence. 3. Delay giving your baby the pacifier if they cry for it. Try to use other ways of calming your baby down.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.